Wounds at the hospital.
A U.S. Army sergeant badly injured while serving in Iraq received a special gift today. David Mathis lost both of his legs 8 months ago when he stepped on an improvised explosive device. Since that time, he has had to learn how to walk again and run. Earlier today in Bethesda, Allstate and Caliber Collision presented him and his wife a newly refurbished vehicle to help him get around. It is part of the NABC Recycled Rides program. Mathis says he is humbled to receive the vehicle.
I don't really look for gifts because I chose this job and this was part of what came with choosing this job. But knowing that other people are willing to reach out to a perfect stranger that they've never met, don't know anything about, and try to help them, that's just showing us what the American spirit should be like.
Today's presentation took place before the start of the annual Pro-Am Heroes Golf Classic. The proceeds from that event will benefit Luke's Wings. The nonprofit group supports wounded service members.